Hello lovelies, how are you? Today I'm just going to do a pretty easy set for press-ons for myself for when these come off. So easy beginner friendly set today. I'm just using a couple of colours from Madam Glam and featuring this as well. This is Sparkle Supplies and it's called Knit Me. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to do them for myself ready for when these come off. These have been on since well before Christmas. Probably a week before Christmas, and now we're a week into New Year, so they've done very well, really. But I'm itching to get some nails done, so yeah, we're on the 6th and I haven't done any nails yet. So I'll just get this quick set done. I'll just do one hand, just to show you how nice this is. This is 24K, so this is Madam Glam's beautiful gold glitter. So I'm going to do that on a couple. I'm going to do foils on a couple, and then I might even stick some gold bows or something like that on. So first job is I can either buff them or I can go in with the primer. So I'm going to use the acid-free nail primer. It's worked brilliantly on these. Just to do a coat because it's too shiny a surface for the gel polish. So primer first, and then I'll go in with the gel polishes, and then we'll get the transfer file done. So this is the 24K. So I'm just going to do 2 coats of this, and that's all that needs. Don't need anything else. It's wonderful. Gorgeous glitter. It's actually as glittery as the gel paint that you get in a pot. So slightly thinner, I would think. Yeah. Gorgeous. So that's index finger and little finger. And then these are all having, the other 3 are having this, which is apple pie. Apple pie, this one. I was trying to find a beige to match with the beige background on that, but you know when you think you've got loads of colours and yet you come to match something, you think, no. Got about 10 beiges and none of them at the same sort of shade. So I'm sticking with this, which is like a russet, rusty coloured red. So okay, so 2 coats of that. In fact, I think I'm only going to put 1 coat on the middle and the thumb, and then the little finger I'm going to put 2 coats on, because this one's not having foil on top. So these have just had 1 coat because these are having the foil on, so I'm just going in with this foil transfer gel. So nice and even. Make sure I'm right to the tip and the edges. And that's the 60 seconds. I just need to cut a little bit of this, and I want 1 nail with the red in the middle and 1 nail with the beige in the middle. And I want the stitching to go that way. So I'm going to cut here, so now I've got plenty for whichever. And that's for 1 nail. And in the middle of that. I'm going to cut here, just so I can manoeuvre about, because I've got a metre of each anyway, so that's fine. The beige shows up the knitting more than the red does, so I should have really concentrated on that. And then moved it about for the red, really. But, so the top, and then this down here. I think this one was going to have gone better than the first one. Yes. So that didn't actually go according to plan, because this one, I like the beige knitting, but I'm not that keen on this one, because it's too much red and the beige is going off the edge, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to swap this one out. So what I'm going to do is clean that off with a little bit of alcohol. So it'll take some rubbing, but it will come off. There we go. So I'll just do that one again. I'll put another coat of foil glue on, and then I'll do it with the beige down the middle, the same as that one. So just let that air dry, and we'll do it again. So that's back out. So I want this down the middle. So about there. Make sure the beige bit's stuck down. And then that middle bit. Squeeze it. I think that's going to look much better. Yeah. Oh, that bit's missing. Go down there. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. That's better. Okay, so they just need top coating. Just get your file, just a soft file, and just go around it with a couple of scratches. Just to take any foil away from the edge. And then your top coat will overlap. I've got some little beige bows out. I was going to do gold, but I've decided to do beige. And what I'm going to do is just use quite a strong emery board and just rough the bottom of that up a little bit, just so that it stays a bit longer, because it's a shiny surface on the back of them, so I think it helps if they're quite big, just to rough that up a bit. That's it, and that'll do. Get the dust off. Is it gone? Oh. Get that off. That's that. So a little bit of gem glue on this one. Just out to the sides a bit. That'll do. Well, just going to do a little bit of extra glue under them. There we go. And I'll top coat around it. If it was a metal, I would top coat over it as well. I've got a bit of extra glue out the side, but sooner that than my hair gets stuck in it all the time. So that's a very quick set that's done. So I will come back and show you me removing these at some point. And also I've been asked, I'll put your name up here on the bottom. I've not got it at my desk at the minute. I've been asked for somebody to show how I prep my nails and stick the press-ons on. So they're all ready to go. So I'll split it into different videos so it's not too long. So a quick, easy set using foils. And yeah, see you next time. Love you loads. Bye.